So we have a square, and the square questions are sometimes inventive and sometimes not, because basically everything in a square is equal. So this is probably the hardest version of a square question you can have here. It only gives you that angle right there. And then it says to find x. And that seems very odd because typically we have to use some property to set two things equal or add two things to 180 or sometimes double something. Like there's some sort of thing going on. And then this, it just gives me that one angle. So what you have to think of here is there's two properties in play. A square has four right angles, which means that is a right angle right there. And then the diagonal of a square bisects the corner angles. If you cut a 90-degree angle in half, you get 45 degrees. So this yellow angle is 45 degrees, okay? Now, that's just a little bit of extra thinking. It actually makes the problem really easy to do, okay? But we have to make sure that we work our way through that thought process. So that is going to be 8x minus 11 equals 45. We're going to add 11. We're going to get 8x equals 56. And we're going to end up with 7. Okay, so square questions will be inventive sometimes. They'll come up with something very interesting in terms of what they can ask you about it. Keep in mind that pretty much everything in a square is equal, so it usually will play back into that aspect of just making sure we're sure exactly what's equal to each other.